Good evening, and tonight you join us in the elevator of Disney Springs parking garage. Which one are we in? Orange. The orange one. So there's a storm fast approaching. Not sure how much we get to film, but we're going to have a quick look around. It's a coming. Coca-Cola shop and Planet Hollywood. I love both of those. Something tells me that the balloon is going to be grounded all night. I mean, I don't know what gives me that idea, like. Maybe all the thunder and lightning that's right here. I wonder what this booth sells. What do you think this booth sells? Could it be just fun socks? It's been 3 years since we've been to Disney Springs, and so much has changed. Lots of stuff new that wasn't here the last time we were here. Like this Mirimoto Asia, a steakhouse around the corner called SDK. Yeah, lots of new stuff. And we've just felt the first spots of rain, so we're going to try and go around to, we're going to try and go around to Blaze Pizza to get some pizzas, obviously, and try and hide from the rain for a bit and see how long it's going to last for. Hopefully not too long, but we'll see. Have to stop and video the beautiful springs here at Disney Springs. I would love to go for a swim in there. The water is so clear. But we're going to Blaze Pizza, which are fast-fired pizzas, and they are delicious. Recommend these to anyone. Like I say, it's been 3 years since we've been here, so hopefully they're going to be the same as what they were the last time we were here. So here's your menu here, and you can choose a signature pizza, which is already made up for you, or build your own pizza and choose whatever toppings you like, whatever bread you like. Salad, sides, and cold drinks.
Hi there.
So we've ordered our pizzas, and they are starting to get made. And you have 40 toppings to choose from, and you can have any of those toppings. As many as you like, and it's all the same price. There's my pizza getting made.
On the barbecue chicken?
Is that all right for the barbecue chicken?
Yeah. No, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Like any seasoning or oregano?
Both, please.
is that correct? You want Terry? 4 pieces total. Yes. Any drinks? Two with the soda.
And there we have it. Time to eat. Yum. Well, I have to say that Blaze Pizza was just as good as it was 3 years ago. And these three are so slow. Well, it is still spitting on with rain, but luckily the thunder and lightning seems to have stopped for now. So we'll see how lucky we get and whether it just keeps spitting or whether we'll actually get a big downpour. If it's a big downpour, I'm running back the car. And here we have Sprinkles Cupcakes, where they actually have a cupcake ATM. Order your cupcake and it'll pop out of there. Huge Disney store with all the merch. World of Disney. If you come to this entrance of World of Disney and you see Stitch, watch out. He spits. There's the wet patch to avoid. Ghirardelli chocolate. It's expensive ice cream and it's expensive chocolate. But it's good. Oh my, the smell in here is so good. I actually went in there for one reason and one reason only, to get a free sample. Because the last time we were here 3 years ago, they used to give free samples out in there. And there was nobody doing it, so I guess they don't do it anymore. And looking across the water there, towards the seafood restaurant, I have just seen some of Epcot's fireworks. Oh, focus. I guess I've missed the big ones. So pretty. And we're heading into the days of Christmas, where it's Christmas every single day, hence Days of Christmas. And straight away we find Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. Now, is this a Christmas movie? Is this a Halloween movie? It's in a Christmas store, so it must be a Christmas movie. So I guess that settles a debate. If Disney have it in a Christmas store, it's definitely a Christmas movie. Ooh, monorail! The theming in this place makes it look like you're under a Christmas tree. I love this type of globe. It looks like the old-fashioned ones.
You can if you want.
And you can even get your globes personalized, and that's what this lady's doing right here. Now we're talking. These are the proper Christmas ornaments for the tree. Baby Yoda. I am Groot. I am Groot. I am Groot. And at the other side of the Christmas store, there's a Bose signature candle store. A little fact for you, you can only buy the candles there and pay from there. You cannot fetch them in here to pay for them, and you can't fetch Disney items from here into there to pay for them. They are two separate stores, although they are kind of in the same store. Rainforest Cafe. The theming on this is awesome, and you have flames come out the top every so often and lava. Yeah. And how about a big alligator?
Back towards
T-Rex restaurant. Maybe sitting here is not a good idea. I think I might end up getting eaten. And we've met up with the in-laws. Fast and Furious Part 20. Emma, stick the neons on. Da, 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 na, 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 na. And she's off.
She's on a smeller.
Time for a quick look in World of Disney and see what merch is available. You just really don't know where to look. There's so much stuff in here. I like this design. And I like this design. And I like lots of them. This store just seems to go on forever and ever and ever. And here we have a 50th shirt and all the 50th merch over the side. Spirit jersey. Yeah, all the 50th merch is all in this section. I mean, what gives it away? Ooh, I like this one. Kind of retro looking. Now this is my style shirt. I like this a lot. And it's $59.99 plus sales tax. And there's one item I'm specifically looking for and I can't see it. I've seen it on Tim's vlog and Nate's vlog, and that is the Epcot Spaceship Earth jacket. Well, it turns out that they don't sell the jacket I want in World of Disney anymore. But apparently it should be over at Epcot in the COG store. So fingers crossed when we go there, I'll be able to get the jacket that I want. And that's the in-laws away. Probably won't see them until we get back home now. They're staying at Universal and they flew out a week before us. So yeah. Fall into magic at Disney Springs. Unfortunately, it's just gone 11 o'clock, which means most of these shops are closing, if not all of them. And I think it'll just be the restaurants and bars that's left open. So we're going to head back to the car now and head back to our hotel, Pop Century. Well, as we make our way across the car park with loud cars, and we're leaving Disney Springs, I'm sure we'll fetch you back a few more times before the end of our holidays. So that leaves one thing left to say. See you all tomorrow, and now it's time to do your job.